Hello everybody, so I'm going to go ahead and give us a virtual tour and a little small 2-minute PD on the calendar functions in Schoology. So to access the calendar, you can either go straight to your course and access the calendar there, or you can click this main calendar function. I'm going to show you both ways because there are a few little differences and some pros and cons to using both. So we're going to go ahead and click this calendar up here. And once I open that calendar, I'll be able to see all events and all assignments from all Schoology pages that I'm linked to, or courses I should say. What's great about this is it's dope for the teacher to be able to see like, oh, okay, in my econ class I have this exit ticket due that day, but in the same class or on that same day I have another APUSH assignment or a tutorial that's due on that same day. You can also create new assignments or events just by clicking on that specific day. Maybe I want to say that this is, I don't know, President Obama's birthday, even though I know that's not his birthday. I can definitely throw that in right there, or just create an assignment right here. Another way to access your calendar for one specific course is, of course, to go to that course. And then once you get to that page, you will be able to click this calendar right here. Although I don't have any upcoming assignments due since the school year is over, if I did, this is where students would be able to view those upcoming assignments. But you can go ahead and click this calendar, and here you'll be able to see assignments that are due for this specific course and whatnot. So this is dope for maybe adding assignments that aren't within Schoology, but maybe on another platform, or they're written, but just so that students know that that assignment is also due outside of these Schoology assignments. And again, if I wanted to do that, just click on a date, add assignment, maybe say this is our unit for exam, post it, and boom, now it's in the calendar. Alright y'all, I hope this is helpful. Let me know if you want any more tips and tricks with the calendar. Always down to help y'all.